Welcome to Fun Recipes TV, and today we are making homemade ice cream cones for the summertime, and Chef Italy is going to tell us the recipe.
Hello boys and girls, this is Chef Italy. I'm going to prepare for you a dish today that I think you will love. It is ice cream cones. Ice cream cones have been around since time began, and we are going to prepare them today on Fun Recipes TV. Aren't you guys happy? Let's go in and get into the mix. This is the ingredients you're gonna need today to take the time to make some ice cream cones for you and your family today.
So I got a thin piece of cardboard, shaped it into a cone best I can, then I put tape on the outer sides of it, and since this is a fun recipe, just have fun with it and do the best you can. So now I'm going to take a sheet of foil. The open part, I'm going to go ahead and flex inside my cone mold here. Then I'm going to slowly press on it, make sure it's on there real good, and give it a nice roll right across there. That's what works easier for me. And as I roll, I'm going to go ahead and flex the foil inside the open part of it, and then roll it some more. As I roll, I'm going to make it shrink a little bit more. There you go. Just like that. And like I said, it does not have to be perfect. Just have fun. Do the best you can. And if you can get it to stand up, the better. Then you can use vegetable spray. I'm using butter spray because I always like buttery flavor. You got canola spray. And then you spray the outer sides of it. I lift it up so you can see it better. Everybody likes to spray paint, right? All the edges. Make sure you get all your edges so it doesn't stick. And that's how we get our cones started. So now we're going to start with preheating the oven to 325. And once it's preheated, we should bake it for 14 to 16 minutes. So now what we want to start with is a cookie sheet pan, a silicone baking mat, our mixing bowl, and our whisk to mix. So now let's get started. We're going to add 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, melted butter, salted or not unsalted. I use either one. Half a cup of granulated white sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Once you get them all together, you can go ahead and start mixing, just like making pancakes or waffles. And you want the same kind of texture in your batter to be loose. Now that we mixed our batter, we can go ahead and start making our cookie cones. And since I'm not doing this with no measurements, you can make it a 5-inch circle or 3-inch circle. It's up to you. And I'm gonna go with a whole cup because I'm gonna make myself a really very large cone here. So I'll put it right there in the center as best I can. Get a little circle formation and spread it out. And depends on how thick your cone's gonna be, I guess. I want mine about that consistent. And that's good. And then we're gonna make a small little cone over here. So nothing has to be precise. I'm just gonna try to make the best circle I can make. looks pretty good. So now we're gonna go ahead and set it in the oven for 14 to 16 minutes. And I put it about the middle rack. And then we'll set the timer. Now it's been 16 minutes, and now we're gonna check on our food. Wow. There. Now let's bring it over here. Next batch here. And then this here. Just roll. So let's start with the edge. Bring your roll. And stop right there so it can cool. Press down on it. Okay. So now and roll this one. I'm gonna press down a little bit. Make sure. So we just made these homemade ice cream cones. Now we got our taste testers trying them out. And so what do you think? You like it? You like it? Uh-oh. And how's yours?
It's good.
It's good. Okay.
All right, we got our homemade cones. They're delicious. Definitely gotta try this recipe at home when you get a chance. So I don't know about you, but I'm gonna sit here and eat this ice cream and this ice cream cone. So we're just gonna say goodbye. Everybody say goodbye.
Everybody say bye.
Bye.